Welcome back. It's a terrible day at the office for Team India. Let's get straight into the highlights of today's play at Perth in our special segment, All in the Game. India are staring at an innings defeat after just the second day of the Perth Test. The visitors managed to clean up the Aussie middle order, but the lead had already gone past 200. And as things stand right now, India have already lost 4 wickets and are trailing by 120 runs with 3 days of play still left.
David Warner meant business right from the word go. And then Virat Kohli made matters worse, dropping the informed Warner on 126. Ed Covindo was Warner's quiet cousin. He notched up his second Test 50 of 79 balls as Indian bowlers continued their quest for a wicket. Umesh Yadav finally got India the breakthrough. Coven gone after making a patient 74. The pitch was assisting the bowlers and the Indians were worried for when they would bat. Umesh Yadav was breathing fire as he uprooted punter's middle stump. Warner was finally dismissed by Ishant after scoring 180 runs of just 159 balls.
From Umesh Yadav, a terrific innings from David Warner comes to an end.
Sydney Test triple centurion Michael Clarke couldn't do much as he was dismissed for 18 by Zaheer Khan. Ryan Harris then became the man who gave Umesh Yadav his first 5-4 in Test cricket. The final wicket to fall was that of Ben Hilfenhaus as Australia led India by 208 runs with a session left just on day 2. The sorry state of Indian batting continued as Gautam Gambhir was out to Mitchell Starc after scoring 14. And Sehwag quickly followed his Delhi partner back in the pavilion as India lost both its openers by the score of 25. The great man was dismissed by Starc for 8.
He's given him, that's it. Little Master has gone, given out. LBW.
Tendulkar doesn't appear to be happy with this.
But Tendulkar wasn't happy with umpire Aleem Dar's call. Lakshman didn't bother to trouble the scorers as he was out to Hilfenhaus for a duck. India 51 for 4.
The Indian team for the Tri-Series will be picked tomorrow. As we had told you yesterday, Yuvraj Singh has been ruled out because of a lung tumour. But indications are that Sachin Tendulkar and Harbhajan Singh might make a return to the OD squad.
Sachin Tendulkar may not be going great guns in the Test series versus Australia, but reports suggest that the Little Master is ready to make a comeback into the Indian ODI team after a gap of almost a year. Sachin's last ODI was the World Cup final and he's now keen to play the Tri-Series down under. If reports are to be believed, then Harbhajan Singh could make a comeback into the Indian team very soon. According to sources in the BCCI, Bhaji could be called back for the ODI and T20 series in Australia, depending upon his fitness. Harbhajan has been out of the Indian team since the second Test versus England in Nottingham and hasn't played any Ranji cricket since December due to an injury.
That's it from me for now. But before we go, on the occasion of Bogi, we at NDTV Hindu would like to wish you success this year as old things are burnt to welcome the new. But on the flip side of this festival is the pollution that leaves traces of smog throughout the city. So enjoy these visuals of Bogi celebration in our city, but also keep in mind the pollution it causes. Thanks for watching.